everyone and welcome back to another video. It's Brianna Ray from BriIY here to bring you more earrings. In the past, I've made some floral bouquet earrings, I've made some off camera, I've made some on camera. I did, very recently, I did the shrink plastic, the printable shrink plastic earrings, which were a big hit. Personally speaking, everyone loved them when I was wearing them around. I actually had a friend even ask me for a pair, so looking at you, Kale. So I wanted to kind of continue. I'm kind of in this jive of where I'm really interested in earrings right now, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to use this new set of polymer clay I got. My polymer clay that I had was the 50-cent stuff from Walmart. I don't think this is going to be much better quality in this like child's set, but it does have more colors and obviously like this carrying case, so I kind of went with it for that purpose primarily. You know, we got our directions, everything it comes with, blah, 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 blah. Interestingly enough, it says that you can do like hair blowing, like using the hair dryer to harden it, or boiling it, which is like super interesting. I've never seen anyone do that before. I usually just like to, you know, put it in the oven. So I'm not really sure if I have to use the hair dryer or not. Oh, I skipped a page, thank God. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna be at, let's see, 250-ish it looks like. And 15 minutes per quarter inch. This is pretty standard. I feel like my other clay was 275 instead of 250-ish. But this looks pretty standard. So yeah, let's get started. So this kit's pretty cool. It came with a lot of, you know, tools and stuff. I did actually go through and reorganize all of these in a more color appropriate order because let me tell you, I did not like I don't like when things are placed in random order. I don't know why folks do that. So I kind of organized it into a more appropriate color scheme set for me. And yeah, I am going to be creating some book earrings because, you know, I told you guys I'm in my bookish phase. The great news is it already feels pretty soft, so it's not going to need a whole lot of conditioning. And I'm going to try to use some of these tools. I've got they've got like little clips and like, you know, eye hooks and stuff. Right? I don't know what those are called. I don't know. But I'm going to grab some of those and some earring backs. That way I don't have to pull them out of my jewelry collection. And let's just start creating. There's my leftover translucent. Surely you understand if this is what my clay looks like in there, why I wanted a neater set. One thing that I'm really interested in is seeing if this bleeds color a lot. I know I normally get that mostly out of reds, and this is a kind of lighter color, so I don't know if that's something I really should be worried about, but I don't know, I'd be curious to see, especially with the cheap ones. I find that happens semi-regularly. I don't actually know how much I'm going to need, but I don't think it's going to be a lot. I think I'm going to need more in the middle. So I'm going to start with this amount and get squishing. Okay, it doesn't seem to be bleeding, but man, it is sticky. So I'm gonna make sure I have a nice mat down here. I'm gonna start by rolling out, oh, look how tiny. Rolling out a nice flat, oh, it doesn't roll on its own. Gotta roll it manually, lame. I wanna roll this out nice and flat. Probably gonna use my roller for that. There we go. And again, you can kind of see the stick here. And I do want it to be in kind of a long rectangular shape because we're going to be cutting out the cover out of this color. It's dirty. I got already so much stuff off of here. That's a shame. I'm gonna mix it up again really quickly. Making these and getting them even took me 20 minutes, literally. So, nailed it. Now I'm going to roll out the inside of the books, which is going to be a little bit thicker. I'm thinking this might not be enough. Guess we're going to find out. And I think specifically the measuring of it is what took so long. So it wasn't like the worst thing ever, just definitely took a while. And yeah, I'm gonna use this full thing for here, and I'm gonna get a similar sized chunk for the other book. Turns out that's the thing about earrings, is that you need 2 of them. I mean, you don't need to, but I'm not edgy enough to pull off a single earring look. So, now it looks like these guys are like 7/8 of an inch by a full inch. And a little messy around the edges. But I'm gonna clean that up closer to the time we bake them. For now, I'm just awkwardly like shoving in the sides. Alright, just got a little isopropyl alcohol. Just gonna pour a little bit in the cap there. That's crusty, you know, on a Q-tip here. Dab, dab. And smooth out all those fingerprints. I'm taking these things and I'm gonna stick them into kind of the top part of the spine here and through the center part of the book. Nice and deep. And I'm gonna grab this, something like that to kind of fix any bends that happen. Feeling pretty good about this, so let's move them over to my tray here, which I already have up. I'm gonna peel this off gently. I don't grab it with my fingers. This might be the worst idea, honestly. Pop that down there. So sticky. Alright, fresh out of the oven. Feeling pretty good. Definitely one's thicker than the other, but that's fine. You can't really tell those things from the front anyway. Hopefully when they're kind of separate across the ears, it's not going to be super noticeable. I just want to bring out my Sharpies. And it looks like I have this paint pen from Dollar Tree. I got a gold Sharpie paint pen as well. My gut says go with the Sharpie brand one. I'm sure you can't imagine why. But I kind of wanted to do like some designs on the side here. Like this. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Alrighty. Now we're just gonna open up these. Oh, it's in the back, no wonder. So now I've got that little lid there, and I'm gonna slide the book on top and close her up. There we go. Like that. Of course, it's backward. And this one is backward. Okay, hold on. I gotta put these on the right way. There we go. Now you can see when it hangs back through the ear. This is the side that is on the front. Cool. So I'm gonna put these in my ears and we're gonna see what they look like. Okay, all honesty, they're heavy. I did read this hack that says if you just cut a little piece of a band-aid off and put it in the back, it like gives your earlobe a little extra stability so it doesn't drag down as much, and it also makes it feel less heavy for you. But yeah, here they are. They look pretty good. I knew when I was making them, I was like, you know, I feel like these are gonna be really heavy. And they are, and I'm not really a big or heavy earring kind of person, but these are super cute and definitely a cool gift idea.
Obviously I wanted them both to kind of be facing like the same direction because they're books, so you know there's a right and a wrong way to open them. But this is kind of cool because now when it like dangles, you can see like the inside of this one and just the back of this one, so it kind of adds like you kind of get to see it from all angles, which I think is fun, and I don't almost never have to worry about the back being visible as well. I'm not really sure when I wear some of these things, but you know, sometimes inspiration just hits and you just gotta roll with it. So with all that said, I hope you like what you saw. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe. I do put out new videos every Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I'd love for you to be here for the next one. Thanks again so much, and I hope to see you then. Bye!